Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on the application of Reddit. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we search about Reddit and we click in this page of app info. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to this window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Reddit and you will click. If you find update, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.